LF is professional in steel structure and space frame design, manufacturing, consulting, and technical service. Products mainly used in high security civil buildings, such as stadiums, large span warehouses, and workshops, characterized by wind resistance and earthquake resistance. And the structural stress is repeatedly statically determined. Shuzhou LF specializes in serving overseas markets. The customers served are distributed in the Americas, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Europe. Overseas customers and projects include ThyssenKrupp, the Presidential Office of African Countries, and the world's largest churches in Nigeria, Philippines SM, Shell Petroleum, Japan Mitsubishi, BASF. Many large-span coal sheds constructed by LF had passed the safety test of Typhoon Haiyan in the Philippines in 2013. LF has been carrying out technological development and R&D of steel structures and space frame with many patents. Also been approved by some institutions like BV, SGS, AWS Manufacturing Welding, Technical Assessment, International Experience, Factory Assessment, and Installation Ability. Recognized by Alibaba as Strategic Cooperative Enterprise and Gold Seller for Overseas Market. LF also serves as board member of the China Steel Structure Association, vice chairman of Shuzhou Cross-Border Chamber of Commerce, vice chairman of Shenzhen Chamber of Commerce, and other social positions, leading Chinese companies to overseas. The mission of LF is to make itself a respected leader in the steel structure industry. Let the customer choose LF without regret.
The following are the patents we have obtained. Now let's look at some scenario construction model demonstrations. This is a spacer frame structure gas station installation demonstration. This is the hangar space frame simulation. Space frame structure hangar is a kind of hangar designed with space frame structure, which has the characteristics of large span, spacious internal space, and stable structure, and is suitable for parking and maintenance of various types of aircraft. The main structure of the space frame structure workshop is mainly composed of columns and beams connected through nodes to form a stable load-bearing system. This structural system can withstand vertical and horizontal loads, and the wall is not load-bearing, mainly plays the role of enclosure and separation. This is the hangar space frame construction simulation BIM. Main construction materials. Construction quality specification. Arrange the lifting equipment. Chest lift wood. Lift. Formal jacking. Chandelier pipeline laying. Point of observation. Hannah space frame lift description. Ground space frame assembly steps. Water and electricity installation, roof main pylon installation. Door head guide structure installation. (3D laser scanning). Space framework pre-elevation. The space frame is officially lifting. Close-up bracket. Installation of horse path. Space frame disassembly. The following is a live view of the architectural design of the high-speedway station.
The first thing you see is a spectacular panorama of an international airport in Yan'an province. The design of the terminal combines modern and traditional elements and stands in a streamlined position under the blue sky, like a phoenix with wings ready to fly, symbolizing the hospitality of the people of Yan'an and the infinite hope for the future. Entering the interior of the terminal, a spacious and bright hall with a reasonable layout is displayed in front of you. In the video, the interior decoration of the terminal is cleverly integrated into the ethnic customs of Yan'an. From murals to sculptures, every detail tells the story of the land. Yan'an Airport terminal design pays special attention to green environmental protection. The video shows the terminal roof greening, rainwater recycling system, and energy-saving lighting measures, which not only beautify the environment but also effectively reduce energy consumption. Through the huge floor-to-ceiling windows, passengers can also enjoy the natural scenery around the airport, as if they are in a moving landscape painting. The lower structure of the terminal adopts reinforced concrete frame structure. The roof and supporting roof structure are hyperboloid shape, and the quadrangle pyramidal space frame structure is adopted. The supporting structure of the roof is steel ribbon, conical steel pipe column, and variable section box swing column. The main structure of TR terminal adopts space frame structure, and the space curved network supported by concrete filled steel tube tree is used in the main building area, which not only enhances the stability of the building but also gives the building a modern aesthetic sense and a sense of space. Every departure is a new exploration, and every arrival is a yearning for a better life.
Then let's step into Zion International Football Center. The design of Zion International Football Center adheres to the concept of modernization, intelligence, and sustainable development. Its architectural appearance is modern and unique, integrating the historical and cultural elements of Zion and highlighting the regional characteristics. The design adopts advanced green building concepts, emphasizing energy efficiency and environmental protection, with the goal of achieving low carbon emissions and energy-saving effects. The lotus-shaped football stadium can hold 100,000 people. Zhanggan High-Speed Railway Station is an important transportation hub in Zhanggan New Area, and its construction adopts advanced steel structure grid technology, fully demonstrating the innovation and efficiency of modern engineering. The roof of the station building adopts the design of large-span steel structure grid, which is stable and beautiful, minimizes the use of support columns, and improves the sense of openness and functionality of the space. Let's take a look at the actual construction of the large-span plant now. The space frame adapts modular design, so that each part can be prefabricated in the factory and quickly assembled on site, reducing the impact on the surrounding environment. The length and width of the dry coal bunker structure are determined according to the needs of the installed capacity, and the height of the structure is determined by the operational requirements of the coal and bunker turbines. The dry coal bunkers building function is mainly used for large storage warehouses, so it must have a certain storage and working space. That is, the structure must meet certain clearance requirements. Moreover, the cross-sectional shape of its effective use space is trapezoidal, and the envelope of the workspace is close to the arc shape. This is how gas stations are built. Using modern technology, the gas station at night becomes a beautiful scenery on the roadside. Using a lightweight, high-strength space frame structure combined with efficient photovoltaic panels, our gas station grid root solution converts sunlight into a constant stream of clean electricity. This not only greatly reduces the operating cost of gas stations, but also achieves energy self-sufficiency, reduces the dependence on fossil fuels, and contributes to the blue sky and white cloud. In today's pursuit of ultimate sports experience and architectural aesthetics, a stadium not only carries the function of competition and fitness, but also symbolizes the culture and vitality of the city. We are proud to introduce the space frame structure stadium solution with a revolutionary design concept, integrating innovative technology and materials to create a functional, aesthetic, and durable future stadium for you. Now let's enjoy the Asian Games venues. The space frame structure with its excellent flexibility and scalability, so that the stadium design is no longer limited. Whether it is indoor basketball court, badminton court, swimming pool, or multifunctional activity hall, audience seats can be easily realized. The unique structural support makes the lifespan, column-free space possible, providing a broad stage for athletes to perform, and also bringing shocking visual effects to the audience. The selection of high-performance and environmentally friendly building materials, such as high-strength steel and lightweight concrete, ensures that the stadium not only has excellent structural performance, but also meets the international standards of green building. This not only reduces energy consumption and carbon emissions, but also improves the indoor air quality of the stadium, creating a healthy and comfortable sports environment for athletes and spectators. The simple lines of the space frame structure are combined with modern aesthetics, giving the stadium a unique visual impact. Whether its streamlined appearance or exquisite detail processing, all highlight the designer's ultimate pursuit of aesthetics. It is not only a stadium, but also a cultural landmark of the city, carrying the memories and dreams of the city. In this era of excellence and innovation, choosing the spatial frame structure stadium solution is to choose a more open, intelligent, and environmentally friendly future. Let us work hand in hand to build a stadium full of vitality and dreams, inject new vitality into the city, and bring unprecedented experience to sports fans. Finally, I would like to introduce to you the world's largest church built by OF, the Hand of God Cathedral located in Nigeria. LF is specially professional at large span D100 meters space frame projects, such as cold storage, cement warehouse in barrel or dome shape, etc. If you have any ideas, please feel free to contact us. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.